Today we will make the famous Cobb salad. It's very suitable for your gatherings, it looks so yummy and it's very delicious. The dressing, the ingredients, everything about this salad is amazing. I think you should try it in your next gathering, everyone will like it. Wash a whole lettuce very well and let it dry. Cut it like this and cut in the center to make smaller pieces. You can cut in any thickness you want. Put the lettuce aside and let's move to the other ingredients. Cut 3 onions finely like this. Cut 200 grams of cherry tomatoes in the middle like this. In the traditional Cobb salad, bacon is used, and turkey bacon is used as halal alternative. And because not every one of you can access turkey bacon easily, so I'm experimenting in this recipe in smoked turkey breast. I think if we cut it like this and fry it with some butter, we will have the same result or a similar result to turkey bacon. Put it in a non-stick pan. You should add some butter or any type of fat you want. Continue to fry it on medium heat until it takes a golden color. Don't leave it too much because it will be hard when chewing. In the same pan, put 2 chicken breasts with any spice that you want. I put some black pepper and some paprika, and I will leave it on both sides until it's fully cooked. First, I put it on high heat, then on medium heat to let it cook slowly from the inside. Remove it from the pan and let it cool a little bit before cutting the chicken like this. Retain this cut on the chicken, it will look so good on the salad. This method in making chicken breast is very easy and very suitable for many plates and many salads. A good color on the outside and a white color from the inside. It's fully cooked and very delicious. Now for the dressing, half a cup of olive oil and 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1 crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of mustard, a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. Mix all the ingredients very well until they're fully incorporated. We also want some blue cheese to put on the salad. Cut the blue cheese in small pieces and make sure it's very cold to make it easier for you to cut it. I'm regretting right now that I didn't put it earlier in the fridge. And now for the last 2 ingredients. First, we need to cut an avocado like this. Put some lemon juice so it doesn't get dark while preparing other ingredients. And for the last ingredient, 3 boiled eggs. Peel the eggs and cut it to put it on the plate with the other ingredients. Now that we've prepared all the ingredients, we are ready to serve the salad. Put the lettuce on a large plate. First, I will put the eggs. You can put the ingredients in the order that you want. I will put the chicken, the cherry tomatoes, the blue cheese, the fried turkey chunks, and the avocado. And don't forget to put the green onions. And now your salad is ready. It's like a paint. It's very beautiful and very suitable to make it when your family or friends are gathered. Everyone will enjoy the delicious combination of the ingredients and everyone will ask you for the recipe. Try it and let me know your opinion. Of course you will like it inshallah. صحتين وهنا.